Hello, I'm Jen from Cakey Lulu's, and in this video I'm going to be sharing all about the Prop Options M6 range of cake stands. Now this range is the perfect combination between traditional and stylish. It's strong and dependable and is available in 4 beautiful colours in a natural finish, light, dark and gold, each boasting that beautiful wood grain. Each of the M6 cake stands come deconstructed in their component parts. So you have the middle, the base plate and the top plate, 2 M6 screws and an Allen key for tightening the screws. It's easy to know which top and base are paired together because there's writing on the bottom of each base showing its minimum pairing requirements. So here I have a 5-inch base and it says to use for a 9 or 10-inch top. So I've got a 10-inch top here. So to assemble the cake stand, it's really simple. Take your base and insert one of the M6 screws. The holes are countersunk so that the screw sits completely flush. Then take your middle, line it up and simply twist it into place. And then you can turn it over and use the Allen key to tighten that screw. Next, take your top plate, find the countersunk hole and insert your M6 screw, and then line it up with the centre. Next, take your Allen key and just twist it to tighten it in place. And then your cake stand is ready to use. Here I have the original M6 pedestal cake stand in dark wood finish, and you'll see that it comes in 3 different heights. Now all of the top and base plates and middles are interchangeable with each other, so you can mix and match to make it perfect to suit your cake design. The original M6 cake stand is suitable for smaller cakes up to 14 inches in diameter. For heavier multi-tiered cake designs, the teardrop and hourglass centres have been specifically designed to hold and support the weight of these heavier, larger cakes. They also come in the same 4 different colours, the natural, light, dark and gold, and they come in 2 different height ranges with different size base and top plates, and of course each base has the minimum requirements for size top plate that it can pair with. Each of the middles and other components are completely interchangeable with each other, so you can mix and match different sizes, heights and colours to get your own truly bespoke cake stand. They're also interchangeable with our adjustable afternoon tea stands and the deluxe cupcake stand range. We look forward to seeing what you create using the Prop Options M6 range. Don't forget to tag @PropOptions in your posts and head on over to the Prop Options YouTube channel for tips, tutorials and more. See you next time. Bye.